This will be a round 3 question because it is a lengthy question, right? So I need to find the number of trailing zeros at the end of the following number. You just need to remember that to find the number of trailing zeros, you need to calculate the power of 5 and power of 2. Okay, so let's find out power of 5 first of all. So in the numerator we'll get 5 power of 5 when we'll have 5 raised to power 1, we'll have 1 power. In 10 square we'll have 2 power of 5. In 15 cube we'll have 3 powers of 5, and so on and so forth. 100 raised to power 20 gives you 20 powers of 5. So this will give you 210 powers. Apart from this, when you have 25 raised to the power 5, now 25 itself is 5 square. So you'll get extra powers of 5 here, right? So 5 square, this gives you 5 raised to power 10. I have calculated 5 powers here in this case, right? So you'll get 5 extra power because of 5 square. Similarly, in case of 50 raised to power 10, I'll get 10 extra powers. 75 raised to power 15, I'll get 15 extra powers, and 100 raised to power 20, I'll get 20 extra powers, which is 50 in all. So total we have 260. In the numerator we have 5 raised to power 5, we have 5 powers. 10 raised to power 10, we have 10 powers. So in all 15. So overall we have 5 raised to power 260 in the numerator and 5 raised to power 15 in the denominator. So in all we have 5 raised to power 245. Okay. Now let's calculate for power of 2. In the numerator we'll get power of 2 when we have 10 square, we'll have 2 powers. 20 square, 20 raised to power 4, we'll have 4 powers. 30 raised to power 6, we'll have 6 powers. 40 raised to power 8, we'll have 8 powers. 50 raised to power 10, we have 10 powers. 60 raised to the power 12, we'll have 12 powers, and so on and so forth. 100 raised to power 20 will have 20 powers. Right. Apart from this, whenever we have a multiple of 4, we'll have extra powers of 2. So in case of 20, we'll have 4 extra power. In case of 40, we'll have 8 extra powers. In case of 60, we'll have 12 extra powers. In case of 80, we'll have 16 extra powers, and 100 will have 20 extra powers. Alright, how many are these in all? So this total is 110. This total is 60. Again, out of these numbers, whenever we have multiples of 8, like 40, now 8 is 2 cube, so we'll again have 1 extra power of 2. So in 40 raised to power 8, we'll get 8 extra powers, right? And 80 raised to power 16, I'll get 16 extra powers. So in all we have 24 extra. And finally, when we have multiples of 16, which is in case of 80, 16 is 2 raised to power 4. So I'll again have 1 extra power of 2, so 16. So ultimately we have 110 plus 60 plus 24 plus 16, that is 210. So in the numerator we have 210 powers of 2. Similarly, we can calculate the power of 2 in the denominator, which will come out to be 50. So ultimately, we have 160 powers of 2. Now, in this whole expression, we have 2 raised to power 160 and 5 raised to power 245. Now I can club 160 powers of 2 with 160 powers of 5 to get 160 powers of 10, which gives you 160 trailing zeros. So the correct option is C.